Listen, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to help you start losing weight and make you happy again. It's basic and simple. You're gonna love it. Forget about Atkins diet, forget about South Beach diet. What I have is a very basic guide from where all these complex diets come from. It's called the food pyramid with a twist. But before that, let's do a quick crash course on the old one, right? 5 to 11 servings of grain, the half should be whole grain. 2 to 3 servings of dairy or calcium containing foods like milk. 1 to 2 servings of protein like eggs or meat. 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. And then you have to limit the sweets and extra fats you get from the chocolates you always consume. But then what's the twist? Just consume the minimum amount for each of the food group. Don't worry, you won't end up being unhealthy. You're just simply cutting back on the extras and doing more regulation. For instance, just 2 servings of dairy every day doesn't mean you're getting less calcium. Compensate by eating dark, leafy vegetables because they're packed with calcium too. When it comes to your grain, you have to remember to eat only whole grain and high in fiber. You still get all the nutrients you need, but now with less calories. Better, right? Why don't we add exercise to the pyramid? Go to the gym, have a personal trainer at home. It's your choice. Aside from lessening the calories, you still need to exercise properly so your body gets into shape. Then you won't have that loose skin once you're starting to shed weight. But you have to remember, never ever over exercise. Your body needs to burn calories which come from the food you eat. So make sure you eat before you climb on that treadmill or go to your nearest gym. So go ahead, grab a sheet of paper and start making your meal plan. If you want to learn more about this, click the link below.